which is the logical operator. The logical operators and these logical operators, they are and, we have or, not, in, and then we have between, and then we have like. It's coming. Then we have like. Let me close this. But for this night, we will focus on 3 of those logical operators, which are and, or, and not. We are going to be focusing on the and. I hope you can see my screen. Thumbs up if you can see my screen. Hello, guys.
No. Okay.
You cannot see my screen again. Okay. Let me check. Let me stop sharing and reshare again. All right. Can you see it now? Can you see it now?
Yes, now you can show.
All right. So we are going to be focusing on 3 of these operators, the and, the or, and then we are going to be focusing on the not operator. So what are these operators? Starting with the and. The and operator returns only if both conditions are true. Otherwise, it is going to be false. And returns, I put it. Returns only if both conditions are true. And then for the or, what the or condition does is that it returns records or results when at least one of these conditions is true. When one of the conditions and then we have the not. What does the not operator do? It returns result that does not meet a condition. This is what the not operator does. Now, in real life, at times, things might get complicated when you have to filter your data. Now, you need one or more conditions to filter. In last week or in our previous classes, we learned how we can filter our data using the where clause and then the comparison operators. But tonight, we are going to be seeing how we can use one or more of these conditions to filter our data. Now, for better understanding, so that we understand more about these operators, for instance, looking at the and, in the and, let's say this is the first condition in the and. Let's say this is the second condition, and then this is the third condition, and the third, and then we now say this is the and condition. Now, let's put it this way. Let me make this and all right. Now, in the and condition, let's say this is true. When it has search, this is true. This is true. This is true. And then for the and, this is supposed to be true. So are true. It's through the column. The first condition is true. The second condition is true. And then the and will return it as true. For instance, we have here where this is true for first condition, and then this is false for second condition. What this means is that it's going to return a false. It's going to return a false because the first condition is met, but the second condition, it did not satisfy the second condition. So it's going to be false. Now, let's say again that this is false. And then this is true. Is going to return false. For this, let's say the first condition is false and is search. The second condition is also false. Is going to return, oh, not what I meant. False is going to return false. So the and condition is very strict. It is very strict. It must make sure that both conditions are met before it's going to return a true value. Now, looking at the second, the or, let's say for the or, this is the first condition. This is the second condition. Okay, let me use one letter the way I used. First condition, second condition, and then this is the or. What the or does, like I said, is that it returns record where results, it has met at least one of the condition, where one of the condition is met. Now, demonstrating it, for instance, the first condition is true. Now, the second condition is true. This is true. Now, for this, let's say this is true, and then this is false. What will happen here is that it's going to return a true value. Reason is because the first condition, one of the condition is met, which is in the first condition, in as much as the second condition is false. The or has searched true and one of the condition has been satisfied. So it's going to return a true value. If here is false and here is true, it's going to return a true value. And if here is false, it's going to return false. Now let's look at the last one, which is the and. For instance, this is the first. The second condition, and then the third, this is the and. So in this and, remember, I told us that the not, sorry, not and, this is the not operator. So I told us that the not, what it does is that it will return result that does not meet a condition. It's simply saying exclude this, exclude this. Let me demonstrate what I mean. If this is true, this is false. This is going to be a false. Does it even, let me remove this. This is going to be a false. And if this is false, this is going to be true. It's just like the Boolean, when I taught us about a data type, the Boolean, which I said is true or false value. So if you have true, you will get a false. And if you have a false, you will get true. So let's move to our workbench and see how we can use or how we can combine them in our SQL. Now, from our data, let me select all from our customer. Okay, let me call our customers table. And then let me open this. All right. So from this our customers table. Hello guys. Hello guys. I hope you can still see me.
Yes, yes.
Can you see my screen? All right.
No,
All
no,
right.
no now.
You cannot see my screen again. Someone can see it. Log out and log back
Yes.
in. Maybe it's your network seeing some. Can you see it now? Can you see it now? Thumbs up.
It's not showing no.
You are not seeing it. Come on, you. Some can see it. Please log out and log back in. Let me check it. Log out and log back in, please. I should continue, right? You can't see it again. Let me stop sharing and reshare again. Please, if you can't see my screen for the next time, please just call my attention because I might not know. So we have selected our customers table. From this customers table, we have acquisition channel. So we're going to be looking at how we can filter out the VIP customers above 30 years, how we can filter out customers, our VIP customers. We have different from these, our loyalty tier. We have people in bronze. Let me put this up. We have silver, we have gold. So let's see how we can use this operator. So we select the customer's ID. Give us the customer's ID. We select the age column. We select the loyalty tier. Give us that column. All right. From our customers table. Now using the where clause, where the age is greater than 30. Where the age is greater than 30. Now using the and then loyalty tier is equals to gold. Let's run this. The and, what it has done is that it has searched through this our column, the column for loyalty tier and age, and look at it, and filtered out where all the result is true, where the results are true. It has met it where results met both condition and brought out only the loyalty tier. This is it. This is it. So can you see all our customers above the age of 30 that are in the VIP customers? VIP customers above the age of 30, and has such true and filtered out where those conditions have been met. Now, moving on again. All right, let me open let's open, okay, let me open the event table. My event table. Let me see what we have there. Right. So this is our event table. We have the event ID, timestamp, customer ID, section ID, event type, product ID, device type, traffic, source, campaign, and category and section duration. Okay. Let's say we want to find out users that have used long section users that used, I think from these our device type, we have people, let me pull this up. We have a desktop, we have people that use mobile, we have people that used, I think we have a tablet. So we want to filter out, want to find out users that used our mobile and tablet to search through, and long sections, people that search for a long time. So we select, okay, already use select here. Let me use this. So we select the events ID. Then we'll select the device type, and then the section on in seconds. Yes. All right. Then, okay, we are going to use the where clause now, where the section duration in seconds. Let me see what we have in this comment. Let me see the durations we have here. Okay. Section duration. Okay. Let's say people that the section duration is 600 seconds or greater than, I'll say greater than 600 seconds, using the and device type. Give us where the device type is equals to mobile. Then we are going to use the or where the device type want to view to for mobile and the tablet. Device type is also tablet. We close this. Right. See. All right. So we have successfully executed this code. Let me pull it up. Look at it. It's filtered and has brought out the condition where the device is mobile, and then the device also is tablet. Let me raise it. Can you see it? I hope you can see the results. Hello? Hello?
Hi.
Yes.
Yeah, we can see it.
Please always respond, because if you're not responding, if you can mute yourself if I'm asking, so that I will know that's all right. So we have successfully filtered out, all right, where these conditions has been met. The device type is they are tablet and mobile, and then the section duration is greater than 600 seconds. So can you see it? Right. Let me check this and see. So that is it. So moving on again, I want us to look at the or. Let's look at how we can apply another of these condition. Okay, from our customers table. I think from this customers table we have. From our customers table we have. I think we have. Can you see my screen? Hello.
Yes.
Hello, guys. Okay.
Yes, we can see your screen.
So from this our customers table. All right. Thank you very much. I just want to be sure that I've not lost you guys. So from this our customers table, let's see what else we can filter out using those conditions. So we want to see, we have the country. We have various country here. We have a lot of countries. So let's see how we can filter out maybe 2 or more countries using combining these conditions. So we select. All right. So we select. Let's select the. Then we select the country. Right. We select the country. All right. So from our customers table, using the where clause, where our country, the countries that have patronized us is equals to those from US, give us those from US, or using the or, where the country is equals to okay, let's filter out people from, I think, Canada, CA, and then let's filter out using the or condition. Let's filter out again where country country is equals to let's filter out all right, let's filter out people from the UK, and then let's close this. Then let me run this. Let's see. So can you see how we have successfully run this code? The OR, if you look at it, we used only the OR conditions, the OR operator. It has returned where the country is Canada, UK, and then US. Let me pull this up so that we can see it very well. So this is how we can use or how we can combine those operators, the logical operators, the comparison operators. We combined it here, and then the where clause to filter out data from our data set. SQL is all about knowing how or what and what to use to find or to filter out the right information that is needed by your organization. Do you have any question? Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Unmute yourself.
No question, ma.
All right. Amarachi, someone have a question? Amarachi, go ahead.
Ma. Good evening, ma.
All right. Good evening, dear.
Yes, please. The second one where you did where session duration section is greater than 600. We still had some that were showing 34. That's lower than that duration. Right. So why was it showing it? Is it because of the and or that we used after?
Yes. It's because of the and the or. Remember, I told you that and what it does is that it's strictly, but when you put or, what it does that if one of the condition is met, it will filter out all those places.
Okay, ma. Thank you, ma.
Yes. Any other question? Any other question, guys? No more questions. So if I'm to give you quiz, write quiz on this, you understood it very well. Should I solve one more? Should I solve more queries? Thumbs up if you want me to. Hello. All right. So let's solve one more code before we call it a night. Okay. So we want to look at the other operator. I told us about the not operator that is returns. Okay. Instead of going to the not operator, let's look for another thing to solve. Okay, let me go on with that one. Anyway, so let's look at this, our customers table again, and see what we have there. that are not the NOT operator. What the NOT operator does is that it returns results that does not meet a condition. What it means is that if you have true, you will get a false, and if you have false, you will get a true result. So from this, we select, let's select the customer's ID, age. All right. Can you hear me very well? Is my audio working well now?
Yes,
Hello,
it's
guys. Can you hear me
It's
very
working now.
well? All right. All right. Thank you very much. I like that. Just always call my attention. So I told us that we are going to be look at the NOT operator, which I said that if you have true, you will get false. And if you have a false, you will get a true result. So we are going to use this NOT. And I want us to know that this NOT, you cannot, it doesn't work with any other condition, either and or. It doesn't work. It works with only one condition. This NOT, it works with only one condition. You cannot combine it with other condition. So we selected the customer's ID, then we selected the, let's select the age, and then the loyalty tier from our customers, where the age is greater than 30. And we are now using the and not loyalty tier. Equals to bronze. Let me close this and quickly run this. Let's see. All right, so let me pull these results up. All right, so can you see? So what it does is that, like I told us, it does the opposite. If you want it to go front, it will go back. Want it to go left, it will go right. So it has filtered out where all the loyalty tier is bronze. It has taken them away. Can you see? What we have here is only the silver and the gold. Where loyalty tier are silver and gold. We don't have this bronze in our column again.
Yeah, Olivia, are you still there? Yeah, I think she's logged out. All right. So and I believe that I think she's actually, is she running up with the class with you guys already?
Yes, sir. She was giving the last example.
So I'm back,
Okay.
please. My network just logged me out. So but I'm
Okay.
back.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
So
great.
I have already rounded up before the network logged me out. I hope you captured that before the network logged me out, right? Hello, guys. All right, thank you very much. So do you have any question before we call it a night?